So right over here, my strawberry patch, quote unquote. So I've gone through tons of different iterations of trying to grow strawberries, and I've finally settled on this one for the time being. They're kind of like rows. So I'm trialing, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different types of strawberries. This one's an heirloom variety. This one's kind of a, I wouldn't say heirloom, it's more of a wild variety. They are generally smaller. And then these ones are more heading towards the commercial side where they produce quite heavily. And I think after trying all of these ones, the one that has really been the strongest one in terms of producing and survival has been the quinault. It gets really big berries, and so it was like a 90-degree day today, so this is really droopy. But the quinault has been a really resilient variety for me. So I think going forward, I'll probably favor that one over some of these other ones. Like we got the Albion and the Seascape. All of the Seascape died back. We got one over here. I'll have these other varieties for a little bit longer to see how they fare. But I think my time experimenting with different varieties of strawberries has shown me that it's not as interesting as I thought it would be. I've learned a lot from it, so I think that's important. But at this point, I'm more interested in getting the crop than I am interested in seeing how the different varieties grow. So I'm just picking off some dying leaves. So strawberries, I've learned, are you really want to clean up the plants because it suffers from having partially dead leaves. It's more prone to disease, and it's just not efficient for the plant to have all these partially yellowed leaves. It's not serving it. You might as well just take them out, and you're going to have a much healthier plant for it. So there's a lot of things that I've learned about them. I would certainly not say I'm a strawberry expert, far from it, but I've come a long way in terms of learning to grow them. I may eventually change up this system too, because I learned about there's a method, I'm forgetting his name, but he made this method called rain gutter gardening, and I'm kind of bouncing off of that a little bit. And this is not quite rain gutter gardening, it's just kind of rows, but I may transition more towards that because it seems to be very, very efficient for growing strawberries. So I thought I would mention that.